This year, OPPO's new products give me a very strong sense of freshness. The entire flagship X8 series has switched to a full coverage of multi-size straight screens, ranging from 6.3 to 6.8 inches. OnePlus has also brought small straight screens of about 6.3 inches to the price range starting with $600. This time, OPPO directly equipped the entire K13 Turbo Pro series with a waterproof cooling fan, which is quite interesting. After all, before this, it was mainly the ultimate performance gaming phones such as the Red Magic that had this thing. In this issue of the Light Product Experience, I will talk to you about the K13 Turbo Pro's wind-collecting cooling engine paired with the 4th generation Snapdragon 8S. What is its actual experience and upper limit? So let's start in box. When I first saw the packaging, I was doubting if it was really made by OPPO. Isn't it very high performance and technological, like a custom phone? Peel off the film and you'll see these textures. Don't worry, you'll see them on the back panel. Look at the protective case inside. It's not transparent. Wow, this phone case has special textures printed on it. You can guess the shape of the back panel, right? Take out the phone and don't peel off the film yet, because there's another layer of accessories at the bottom. Take a look at the charging head. It's an 80-watt A-port charging head. What's outrageous is that there's also a fan cleaning brush in the packaging. Let's peel off the film for the real phone. Whoosh, get ready everyone. The first time you see this phone in person, you'll definitely be a little shocked. The color we have is called Night Silver. Doesn't it have that metallic texture? The key point is, look at this back panel. There are screws and a special logo. It seems to convey it all the time. Wow, it's very powerful, and look at this part. Doesn't it have that 3D effect? It has a light blue mesh and a dark gray gradient, especially when the light is refracted. See the oval lens module in the upper left corner? This is a lens. What can you guess what this is? There's a small K printed on it. Yes, the logo is right. This is a cooling fan. You can see its outlet on the right-angled middle frame on the side. The thickness is 8.31 millimeters and it weighs 208 grams. Now let's talk about the display. It comes with 6.8-inch 1.5K 10-bit LTPS flat OLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate, with a peak brightness of 1800 nits. Now, the black borders of the 6.8-inch 1.5K straight screen basically achieve visual 4 equal width, which is a normal level at this price. In the factory default mode, the white background interface looks warm overall, there's no obvious green cast at the viewing angle, and the screen uniformity is also good at low brightness. As for the performance, it comes with the 4th generation Snapdragon 8S. There's not much difference in daily scenes as compared to 8 Gen 3, but because the secondary cache and frequency of each core have been reduced, it is foreseeable that the performance under heavy load games will still be worse than 8 and 3. But this time, the K13 Turbo Pro, the biggest highlight of this is the back of the phone, which is called Yasuo's Extreme Wind Cooling Engine by OPPO. In the phone settings, OPPO has also opened a first level menu for it called Cooling Fan. Here we can adjust the switch, wind speed, conditions, and the color of the halo. If we turn on the fan directly here, the fan will automatically turn off only when our phone is turned off. The heat dissipation ability of the fuselage has also been substantially improved. Whether you can feel the heat being taken away by putting your hand close to the air outlet, or feel the strength of the wind with your hand, it's quite intuitive. In the intelligent variable frequency mode, the phone can adjust the fan speed according to its own temperature. When it is the quietest, I can't even feel that it's on. The fan mute effect is still very good. The following opening conditions are also for the 3 most common heating scenes of games, outdoor, and charging. I recommend turning them all on. In the actual experience of the game, I can say this device gives you the best gaming experience all the time, not just because of its 8S Gen 3 processor, but because of its cooling fan. It's very helpful in managing temperature, so it can run at max capacity without heat. And for the battery, it's equipped with a 70,000 milliamp hour battery, and there's basically no battery life anxiety in daily life. This time, after turning on the 80-watt at-wired charging smart fast charging, the phone only takes 51 minutes from 9% to fully charged. Because the cooling fan is activated, the temperature of the body is indeed cooler than previous phones. And as for the software, the animations are smooth and detailed. There are bugs, but they're few and not serious, and they don't affect the daily experience. As for practical features in games, I think ColorOS is also quite good. The bypass charging is also very compatible with the built-in cooling fan, which can fully unleash its gaming capabilities. As for the camera department, there's nothing special to mention. The combination of the 50-megapixel and the 2-megapixel tactical lens on the back is definitely enough for daily recording and scanning. These are the few camera sample, please have a look. So friends, that was a quick deep dive into the OPPO K13 Turbo Pro, a phone that redefines the future of gaming in the mid-range segment with its built-in cooling fan, solid performance, massive battery, and killer looks. If you're looking for a phone that's built for gaming, smart with heat management, and reliable for everyday use, then the OPPO K13 Turbo Pro might just be the perfect choice for you. What do you think about this phone? Would you consider making it your daily driver? Let me know in the comments below. For more in-depth tech reviews like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay cool, stay powerful.